Welcome to BTS Disco. Referring to JYP Entertainment, every K-pop fan knows it is one of the top entertainment companies with many famous groups such as Wonder Girls, 2PM, 2AM, Miss A, Twice, and now ITZY. Despite its success, JYP Entertainment has sometimes made wrong decisions in the past, which is to ignore some of today's popular K-pop idols. Surely after seeing the success of these idols, JYP will have a little regret but also congratulate on their growth. The 29-year-old male idol also tried audition at JYP Entertainment in 2009. After JYP rejection, Dean started his solo career. Now Dean has success with emotional composition. Dean's music style and the music style of JYP's boys groups are also different. So giving each other their own way right from the beginning seems like a perfectly reasonable decision. The eldest brother of the famous group EXO once went to JYP Entertainment headquarters for audition in 2008. However, perhaps due to mismatch in the image or some mysterious reason, Xiumin was rejected by JYP. But thanks to JYP's rejection, Xiumin persistently continued to apply for SM Entertainment and became a part of EXO. The case of the G-Friends main vocalist is little different because she did not participate in the audition of JYP Entertainment but was a contestant on the K-pop program Star Season 1. After performing her performance, Yuju was commented by two mentors, Yang Hyun-sik of YG Entertainment and Park Jin-young of JYP Entertainment. She was criticized by Park Jin-young for her ordinary singing and dancing skills as the key sentence it was difficult to go far. However, no one expected Yuju to become a member of G-Friend, one of the leading girl group of the third generation. She is one of the most appreciated main vocalists in this generation. Maybe thanks to that criticism of Park Jin-young, Yuju made more efforts to improve her ability. Before joining Big Hit Entertainment in 2010 and debuting with BTS in 2013 and becoming a member of the most famous group now, J-Hope was also a guy looking for opportunities at JYP Entertainment. The male idol auditioned at the company when he was only 15 years old. As a result, JYP rejected teenage J-Hope. However, thanks to that, J-Hope found Big Hit Entertainment and joined BTS together and became the pride of South Korea today. Sometimes being rejected is not necessarily something to be disappointed about because it may open up new and better opportunities like in the case of J-Hope. The national little sister of Korean once shared that she participated in more than 20 different auditions within 2 years to look for opportunities for herself, but the results were all rejection. JYP Entertainment was also one of the companies that IU went for audition and the results were not much better. Fortunately, IU was discovered by Loin Entertainment and helped her debut in 2008 after just over a year of working together. 13 years have passed and now IU is the most successful solo singer in K-pop at the moment. IU's songs like Celebrity, 8, Lilac are loved by many fans with the gentle melody, meaningful and warm lyrics. In the end, everything was arranged and the results were irreversible. JYP may have seen the idols mismatches their training styles at that time, while the rejected idols found a company that was more suitable for them. And now everything is fine with both K-pop idols and JYP Entertainment. Thank you so very much for watching my video.